Hamas says Israel's refusal to withdraw from a strategically important strip of land in southern Gaza is thwarting an agreement to end the war. The Israeli Prime Minister has again insisted that Israeli forces will not leave the Philadelphia corridor. That's a piece of land in southern Gaza along the border with Egypt. Benjamin Netanyahu argued that Israeli troops must remain in this buffer zone to prevent weapons and possibly Israeli hostages being smuggled across the border. So why is the Philadelphia corridor so contentious? BBC Verify's Merlin Thomas explains.
Israel has been paving a road in Gaza in an area where their continued presence is a major sticking point in ceasefire negotiations. Construction is happening here, on this strip of land called by its military code name the Philadelphia Corridor. It's strategically important because this corridor is Gaza's only land border with Egypt. The rest of Gaza borders Israel. The Philadelphia Corridor is about 12.6 kilometres long. At BBC Verify, we've been analysing satellite imagery mapping the paving of a road along this corridor. Have a look at this from August the 24th, around the time we believe the recent paving began. 2 days later, you can see this dark road slowly extending south along the Philadelphia corridor. Now, fast forward to the 1st of September, and you can clearly see how far the paving has advanced. And this is what that looks like on the ground. We verified this video posted on X at the end of August that shows what looks like a newly paved road. And you can just about make out a border fence at the end of this video on the right here. Over the last few months, the Israeli army have cleared large areas near the corridor, destroying hundreds of buildings like this one. And from satellite imagery, the destruction is stark. This is from earlier this year, and you can see the Philadelphia corridor here, and this is from late last month. We asked the IDF about the construction of the road, and they didn't respond to us. Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu has said control of the corridor is non-negotiable, but Hamas has rejected any Israeli presence in Gaza at all. Experts like Dr. Andreas Krieg say the paving of this road puts pressure on ceasefire negotiations, and it suggests that Israel isn't going to withdraw entirely from the Gaza Strip any time soon.
As BBC Verify's Merlin Thomas there.